How to fix high ping issue on Windows 10. Here's how to fix high ping issue on Windows 10. Method 1. Disable network throttling. Network throttling index. Using registry editor at hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version/multimedia/system profile. Set hexadecimal for base. Type FFFFFFFF in value data. More, go to key_local_machine. /system/current control set /services /parameters /interfaces /. Locate a subkey folder, which represents your own network connection. Create then set TCP frequency and TCP no delay as 1. Go to hkey_local_machine. /software /Microsoft /MSMQ, create then set TCP no delay to 1. Expand the above mentioned MSMQ. Create, if not available, parameters folder. Create TCP no delay, set it to 1. Method 2, disable apps with. High network usage using Task Manager. Method 3, disable. Windows Auto Updates. And turn on the toggle for set as metered connection. Method 4, reset. Network connection. Method 5, disable Wi-Fi sense. Method 5, use the recommended NordVPN in this video to change existing region.